Hello, you're here for an Uber?
Hi.
Hi. What's the name?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
What's your name?
I'm Dylan. Come on in. How's it going?
I'm good. You're cute.
Oh, thank you. So can you confirm the destination?
Yeah, so we're going to, does it say, okay, yeah, Lakeview? Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you doing today?
Just driving Uber.
Yeah.
Probably I'm going for an all-time record. I'm trying to clock in 12 hours because
Wow.
I have to pay my car payment tomorrow, so.
That's a lot of hours.
And I have to pay student loans.
Yeah.
So,
You got a lot going on.
I have my student loans are just through the roof, and I'm waiting for Joe Biden to forgive them, but he hasn't done that yet, so we'll see.
Hopefully that day comes soon. In the meantime,
But yeah, so I'm just trying to make money, you know.
I'm going to a party, and
Good for you. I hope you have fun.
oh yeah, so that's, you know, I actually get a +1, and I know we just met, but I was wondering if you wanted to come. My friend's having a party, and there's gonna be drinks and
Like go with you to the party?
Yeah, come with me to the party.
I don't know. I'm not really a party guy, to be honest.
You don't like parties? I think you'd have a lot of fun. You know, DaBaby. DaBaby's gonna be there.
DaBaby?
Yeah,
like
DaBaby. Yeah.
He's like
and
a
I know
rapper.
you like him because I see that's what you're listening to last. So he's actually gonna be there.
I don't know. I'd probably be too nervous.
Come and you can leave whenever.
I kind of have social anxiety, so I don't really like to go to big crowds. Like,
okay.
That's why I like doing Uber, because it's like 2-3 people max, you know? So.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll just call you after the party, and then you can drive me and all my friends home. Does that sound good?
Well, I have to do it through the Uber app, or else I might get in trouble.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
you can't give me your number?
You want my phone number?
Yeah.
For what?
I think you're so cute.
Oh my gosh.
I
What
want
the
you
heck?
to come to the party.
You want me to go to the party with you?
Yes.
I
Can
don't
you?
know. Just as friends, right?
Yeah. Just as friends.
Nothing more?
No, nothing more.
Because I'm trying to save myself till marriage.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, my friend just asked to see a picture of you, so is it okay if...
No, please no. I don't really, it's like privacy.
So
I don't really like to record it. I don't like being on the internet or anything. Like, I don't have social media.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it for sure.
Thanks. You're not sending that to
Oh my
anybody.
god, you said you're cute. You are.
I said don't send that to anybody.
Well, you're gonna meet her in just a second.
I don't
anyway,
like
so.
being on the internet or anything. Like
You're
people
gonna meet her so soon.
people used to make fun of me online.
Why
Like
would they do that?
I used to post these videos and like people would just comment like, I don't know. So I just
That's
stopped.
so messed up. It's okay, you'll fit right in at this party because everyone there makes videos in too.
No, like I don't like to do that anymore. That's why, because like I quit because the haters were too strong.
Well, sometimes you just gotta say heck to the haters and go to the party.
Heck to the haters?
And have fun and meet DaBaby and dance.
So it's right up here where all these people are?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, everyone's so dressed
Okay, you'll
up.
have to find a parking spot because you're gonna come in.
I'm not going in.
You said you would.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you said you would. Plus, I already sent her a picture of you and she knows you're coming.
Alright, I'll come in for like
Yay!
5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, yay!
But I can't drink
Can
because I
I
have
tell
to...
them you're my boyfriend? Is that okay? That's okay? Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Let's go,
Okay.
let's go!
Alright, let's go.
DaBaby.